shop with us at Walmart, Target, and Five Below.
This looks like something out of a horror movie. And listen to the clicking sound that this thing makes. Scary Christmas. So in the household, we get each other like big gifts, real gifts, but we also do like plentiful, like small gifts, the stocking stuffers, but then we also have little ones that'll wrap up. This is a quick little $10 gift. Yeah, might be even slightly overpriced if I'm being honest.
This is nice. Look at this. Wow, these are nice. Look how cool. Ring pop gummies. I would get them, but they have gelatin in them. Yeah, I would have loved to eat it, tried that, but we don't eat pork. If it specifies that it's beef or fish, we will eat it, but if it just has gelatin, we assume it's pork. Again, a really good option, but this has marshmallow, which again has gelatin. This is another really cool gift, this pancake set, and you can mix it in that bowl and pour it out here. I like that. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look how big that is. Like, that's crazy. Damn. That's enough chocolate for you? I don't understand this. Like, are you just like a really big Snoop Dogg fan to have this in your house? Like, Snoop Dogg Christmas? Merry Christmas? Like, happy holidays? Bruh, there's more. I thought it was just this. All that is Snoop Dogg. Snoop Dogg bags? Snoop Dogg wine sweaters? Snoop Dogg ornaments? Snoop on the stoop? I remember that from last year. I remember this one. But they went a little in. Is anyone buying this? And if you are, post your videos or pictures in the comments. I really appreciate that they have so many different types of gingerbread houses or cookie houses. I prefer the cookie houses versus the gingerbread houses. Look at all of this. This is at Walmart. We were complaining about Walmart's stocking stuffer section, but this year Target is actually winning with what they have. Five Below Christmas items. Might be a vibe right here. Look at this. Pool table, and it has a 3-in-1 tabletop. Oh no, that's sold separately. That's how they get you, sold separately. It's 25 for each. Don't these look like Disney, Minnie Mouse, Cinderella, and Aurora?